Okay, welcome back, and today, people wanted a continuation. Well, we're getting a continuation of what have I got in my pocket. And why am I wearing a sword? I want to. And I found my wind mic, so it might be easier today. And today we have something very reasonable. Yeah, very reasonable size. We've got a 7-inch blade AUS 10A steel, cold steel Espada XL. Some people think it's supposed to be a folding Bowie knife. It's not. It's supposed to be a normal size Navaja. Spanish folding knife that might have inspired the Bowie. But we're going to do the normal stuff here. Sword might get in the way, but I don't care. I can just slide it a bit. Yep, we can just slide it. That's good. I don't have a lot of material today, so this might be longer or shorter, and I got a lot to do today. Whew. That is a powerful folder. And still reasonable. Of course. Seems to like to go to the side with this type of wood. What are you gonna say? What can I say? We got something really, well, that is long and thin. Let's try to deal with this. Can I do it in one go? Yes. Alright, we're gonna do the carving first this time before the fire. Yeah, we're gonna try and make a fire with this thing. I mean, it should be reasonable. I am not close enough to the camera. Not bad. Well, that wasn't gonna work. Okay, we got some dryer wood here. I do like that you can do different grips with it. It's pretty awesome. Everything you look for in an EDC. Might not be up to snuff for sharpness, but we're getting some. We're getting some good feathers. Tiny. I just want to see if this thing will actually scrape. Should, right? Not really. Let me try the swedge. Yeah, nothing doing. That's a little unfortunate. Again, I like the grips. My favorite for hacking is this one. Well, since that's about all I can do, and since I don't have a ton of material, you've made it to the end of the video, and if you've made it this far, April Fools. Yeah, this is not reasonable. This is stupid. A folding knife this size is so stupid, but it's so fun. I can't. The sword was just for dramatic flair. Why not? It's stupid fun. I bought this specifically for April Fools. It was supposed to be last year, but I waited too long and the weather was shit. So, we did it this year. And for what it is, as an actual, like, folding, like, big knife, like you'd carry a Bowie knife for what it is, it's not bad. Stupid and practical, but usable and fun. So, what's a big knife like this used for? Fun. Just fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy April Fools. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.